Good morning. I just want to make sure that everybody is navigating through the classroom as easy as possible. I'm trying to organize it pretty well, but it seems like some of the kids are confused. They're asking me questions about where things are, so I just want to make sure that everyone's on the same page. The stream is used pretty much just for basic announcements. I do not use it that much because it doesn't organize things well, so it ends up to be really confusing. But at the top, if you see classwork up here, and they click on that, then that is where I have kind of outlined each day. So here's today. There's some review videos that it doesn't seem like the kids are watching. Here's yesterday, so forth. Some of the kids are asking me for directions on like, how do we do this assignment and so forth. If you click on the assignment, there's a breakdown of what that assignment is, and then they open the Google Doc. That is a Google Doc specifically just for them, so they don't need to copy it or save it or anything. They just open it up, and then when they're finished, they can hit turn in. As you can see, I have 9 turned in out of 19 in this particular class. Some of the kids are doing it, they're just not turning it in, and so then I don't get notified. Other than that, I think they're doing pretty well for 1 weekend. I do have a lot of people on at this point. I just want to make sure that they know how to navigate. I did invite all the parents in to Google Classroom. So if you got invited and you go into your kids' Google Classroom, I am not getting this to work right now. You're gonna see things like the assignments, and then whether it was turned in or not. So like this particular example has 3 assignments turned in. These were from the other day. He obviously did not get in on the first day. You'll see assigned if they did not turn it in. So I believe you see this if you accept my invitation on Google Classroom. Thank you. Have a good day.